In this edition of Wealth Creation Investing, my name is Forex Joe, and in today's session we're going to be talking about safe strategies for financial freedom in 2013 and beyond. I'd like you to read this disclaimer, and in the process I'd like to share with you that we are living in very turbulent times across the world, and those who do not prepare after the U.S. elections going into 2013 for the next couple of years are going to regret seriously the fact that they did not learn how to stretch out and earn money in other avenues besides just having a regular job. For those of you that would like to participate in the most liquid market on earth today, I'd like to show you, and we use this in our class a lot, these gears that more or less talks about a 15-minute chart, as you can see on the far left-hand corner, doing all the work, but a 15-minute chart has to do all the work to roll into a 30-minute, 1 hour, all the way up to a daily, weekly, and monthly. I am a swing position trader by trade, and I am always looking to start my day from the previous 24 hours on that daily chart and pick up as many pips as possible using the daily, weekly, and monthly charts. There are 4 different trading styles. I teach them all, and in the process I have many light bulb moments. And for those of you that love the challenge, would like to get back in charge and take full responsibility of your personal finances, I'd like to invite you to take a look at the Forex markets. You see, the 2007 real estate crash was just a warm-up. The 2008 financial crash was just a precursor. The real crisis has yet to unfold. You see, this real crisis that's going to be coming soon after the U.S. elections, the other elections in other countries into 2013 and 14 are going to make 2007 and 8 look like a picnic or a church social. The crash is coming soon. I like to share with everyone that there's going to be 2 types of people when this crash hits. There's going to be people that's going to be standing in line to get fed, waiting for the bread, and there's going to be people who's going to prosper, who's going to help others by giving the bread and handing it out. You need to make a fundamental choice of which line that you want to be in. If you want to be on the side of prosperity and helping others, then what's happening right now is not just a market crash, bear market, deflation, or any other item related to just one asset class. This is a collapse of the entire U.S. monetary and political system and the mentality of spending one's way to wealth. The United States is currently over $16 trillion in debt. In simple terms, Reader's Digest version, we've now entered the real crisis, the end game for our current monetary system. Before the dust settles on this mess, the U.S. and its political, economic, monetary structure will look very, very different. As well, your personal finances. You see, folks, if you want safe strategies to have financial freedom in 2013 and beyond, you need to make a fundamental decision that you're going to change your landscape, change your address. However, before we get there, you're going to see riots, civil unrest, possibly martial law, for certain a government shutdown, bank holidays, a debt fraud restructuring, the reinstatement of the gold standard or something like it, possibly a basket of commodities, food shortages, and more. For those of you that doubt that any of this could happen, it's already been happening. Take a look at what's happened in Greece, what's happened in Spain. Take a look at what's been happening across the world. You're going to see trade wars. They've been going on. Even possibly another world war. A temporary backlash against globalization, a deconsolidation or fragmentation of corporate America. That's already happened, folks. And other items. You're going to see a restructuring to where the middle class is completely gone. There is just the haves and the have-nots. It's been taking place now for the past 30 years. It's starting to boil and come to a head. We are at a crossroads, a very important time in our history. The current world conditions are deteriorating into epic proportions right in front of you. Many of you are absolutely clueless. You are sheep being led to slaughter. Now, if this doesn't scare the bejeebers out of you, I don't know what will. But if you're looking for safe strategies for financial freedom in 2013 and beyond, 4 simple words could change your destiny on earth over the next 12 months. The 4 simple words are dedicated to be educated. I want to teach you and show you how you can learn how to excel, not just exist, in the 21st century by creating an extraordinary life of substance in the Forex markets. A $4 trillion a day market that's open 24/7 from Sunday evening till Friday afternoon, where the odds against retail customers are stacked against them because they are inexperienced and they're stupid. But if you don't want to be part of the dumb money, you need to learn how to participate and keep it simple, and we will teach you how. You see, the stock markets are only open up to 7 hours a day around the world. They have $30 billion a day in volume. Compare that to $4 trillion a day going through the Forex markets, and it's a market that cannot be manipulated. You can learn to trade 4 major currency pairs. Some of you add 3 other pairs: the Canadian, the Kiwi dollar, and the Aussie dollar. 7 top currency pairs compared to thousands of stocks. It's much easier to navigate in the Forex markets because you're trading money for money. There's no better feeling than seeing your bank account go up on a consistent basis once you learn how to maneuver in this $4 trillion a day market. Ladies and gentlemen, the truth is that no matter how you slice it or dice it, education, proper education, is the only foolproof way to consistently make money in the foreign exchange. The current world conditions are deteriorating into epic proportions, as I shared with you earlier. You can dwell on recession and possible depressions depending on where you currently reside in the world, or you could choose to prosper in tough conditions. My mission is to enhance the tools and provide an updated training material, educational portal that is absolutely simple to navigate, where everyone is able to learn how Forex markets work. There are 4 trading styles. I teach them all, and I ask that you hurry now because the clock is ticking. Coming soon to Wealth Creation Investing, you will be given an opportunity to participate and begin your education. Please take a look at the Forex markets and what it can do to change your life. I want to thank you for taking time to attend this video webinar. Until next time, my name is Forex Joe, and may all the pips be with you.